Thank you, mom. Thank you, mom. No, thank you, thank you, thank you. Just to make it clear, I have never walked this street, okay? Most of the time, like this time, I'm already in the house. But today I'm trying to test waters, okay? So
all I need is you, baby, baby.
I know it's a little dark, you can't see me. You know, maybe I do like this. Let me see. Somewhere there. Thank you, man. So what just happened is I just finished eating food here. It's called Kimchi restaurant. Kimchi. Let me change for you like this. It's actually one of the best restaurants I've found in Asia as I'm traveling. Maybe from there you can see that, like kimchi. I'm using my Osmo, so kimchi. Okay, that is how the sky looks like. Okay, goodbye, my friend.
What's the name of your camera?
Oh, my name of my camera?
Yeah.
Osmo.
Osmo.
Yeah.
Okay, Osmo. Thank you very much.
Thank you,
Have a
bro.
nice day.
Oh, you too, bro. So I'm going down this way. Hello, girl. Hey, man. So I'm trying to put myself into test here. I'm walking this kind of red light district street right here. It's a little dark, but you know, I'm just moving around and trying to capture the moments. But you know, right now as we speak, we're in Corona, so let's do this. Hey, just to make it clear, I have never walked this street, okay? Most of the time, like this time, I'm already in the house. But today I'm trying to test waters, okay? So I'm gonna go undercover. Let's see. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Thank you, mom. Thank you, mom. No, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh man. Oh man, it's already a tricky situation, man. Whoa, 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 whoa. So I'm like an appetizer here now in the streets, man. Wow. On the other side, you see what's happening. It's a little dark, so I hope you guys. Thank you, man. Thank you, man. Thank you. Thank you, bro. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you. So far, 3 people have tried selling me things. One was a massage girl, okay? Number 2 was a Viagra guy. I'm still very powerful, you know? And number 3 was a guy selling cigarettes. Whoa, man. And as you see, we are at the 3rd minute of the video. Wow. So three minutes already, man. There's somebody clapping right there. That guy is trying, and also ahead of me here, as you see, street. That guy is trying to find tuk-tuk guy. So that's the 3rd thing I'm trying to be sold here in the streets. Oh, it's a little dark, man, so my camera is struggling. Hey, hello. Yeah, they knew I'm filming, so they're trying to avoid my camera. I'm not really undercover, but so clubs are totally closed. Even Gecko is closed. You see that? So, and everything here do not litter. Wow, man. So let's see, man. This is the famous, very, very famous walking street, and on a normal day you get thousands of people here, but now actually it's closed, man. It's like closed. So this is what you can see in the famous walking street. and already I've seen people trying to sell me many things, but at the same time, I'm just walking around. Hello. How are you?
What's your name?
Hey, ma. Oh, I swear, here if you say hello, you're finished. You know, she asked me, what's your name? I was like, ma. Wow. Walking street. Hey, man. Hey, what's up, man? Hey, good. Yeah, good, man. Thank you. So there's even a black guy here. I don't know. Wow. Here you don't say hello. In this street, only in this street. If you say hello, you're finished. But clubs are closed. Even Leopard himself right there. That club is called Leopard. It's closed too. And there's nothing much really happening here. You know, actually, if they find you here, they can arrest you. Especially trying to sell some stuff or buy some stuff. You know, in any other way, if you're trying to participate in whatever activity which involves commerce, you know, any activity that involves commerce is prohibited in this street for now. Okay, so we just walking around. Wow, it's kind of empty actually. Not kinda, it's really empty. Okay, let's go up to the end. There are no many actions happening here. Actually, if you want to find the actions, it's the other side, right at the front. I mean, the start of that sign written walking street. But you know, sometimes let's see the predictions I'm making, if they're correct or not. We have targets. And also one thing I've discovered, not every girl who is walking in this street is of the other way, no. Some people are just walking to feel the ambience. This club looks like functioning right there, you know. Even music, it has some music. Some people having bars. I see some black guys right there. Whoa. I'll not be censored by that music, man. I wanna pass here so fast. So you see, that is still called walking street. Okay. So right now I have just cleared my walking street. So that is the walking street, and up there you can see walking street, you know. And your boy is right here. I just cleared the walking street. That street, man, you don't say hello. Yeah, you can be sold a lot of stuff. Thank you, man. So this McDonald's right here, let me show you. That's McDonald's. Up McDonald's, okay. And the boys here also are taking care of their bikes. Yo, man, what happened, man? Yeah. So let me talk to you here. This McDonald's is very famous. Most of the time, if even a house or a place, or let's say people want to meet, most of the time they reference this McDonald's. They always say near to McDonald's. It's a very famous one. I don't know why it's super famous like this, but maybe it's big, but I just don't know. Even my house is so far away from here, but the owner of the house was telling me close to McDonald's. So you can imagine. So it's as crazy as you imagine. But anyway, I think so far the streets are clear. And also, quarantine is not so bad here. Not so bad, you know. But we're just walking around here. And too many girls also walking here in the streets. From left, right, center. Let me show you. You can see everywhere, man. But you know, right now the business is not booming that much because everything has closed. When I say business, I mean in all terms. Even the guy was selling me Viagra. His business is bad now. I need to cross the road here and go to the other side, which I think I have a right here because honestly it's a crossing area. You can see that. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. These people don't respect. They don't respect. These people, they don't respect. Oh, whoa. Okay. Oh, man. I tell you, when you cross, hey, my friend. Tomorrow, man, I'll buy some peanuts from you. I promise, man. You look so hardworking. Oh, yeah, tomorrow, man. I just came from eating right there in the street. Yeah. Oh, I'll pass here, man. What's your name?
My name is Kenneth.
Kenneth?
Yes.
Okay, man. You work so hard, I see. Okay, man. I'll pass by and say hello tomorrow. Maybe I'll buy some. Okay. You're selling what, man?
Pineapple.
This is pineapple?
Yeah.
Hey, man. You make it so good. You see? Wow, man. Okay, man. Tomorrow I'll pass by.
Yeah.
Thank you. Okay. Wow. How are you, my friend? See there? Maybe I need some manicure and pedicure. Some fruits here. Maybe tomorrow. Oh, there's some papaya. Hello. How much you sell papaya? Hey, my friend, man. Make it 50, man. 50, no? Whoa, okay, man. Wow. Wow. Ay. So, I always buy papayas at 50 per kilo. That guy's telling me 80, man. That's crazy, man. Let me see if I can get some here. Hello, mom. Papaya, how much you sell per kilo? 50, no? 60?
70 only.
Whoa, mom. Why so expensive? Okay, thank you. But, so, let me try finding if I can get some papaya. I always buy them at 50, man. You saw me eating some papaya. 50. I think the street vendors are kind of expensive, you know? Don't worry, I'm not filming you. I'm looking for papayas. Yeah, they don't have here. I think the street vendors are kind of expensive here. Whew, no papayas. So, this is crazy, man. I always buy those papayas at 50. Now they're saying 70, man, per kilo. And actually, other places you buy the entire papaya at 70 or 50. Here it's... Oh. Wow. I think I'll go home and I'll come back tomorrow, or I need to discover where the market is here. Because at this rate, things are not so good. Oh, the other side I can't see papayas. Let me just go home. Man. I think that's the best option. Okay, my people. Oh, let me see here. They don't have papaya. Papaya, mama? No papaya. Okay. Sayote? Okay. I don't know what that means, man, but she told me. Look where I'm passing. Very tricky. tricky situation, so I can't trust this place. But I just passed. So this is early evening. Passing through wrong routes. What you can buy in the streets of wow, man. You know, motorbikes are using this space here, and it's very rough actually, very rough space, you see. Very, very rough. You have to be careful for you to pass here.
Hey, my man.
What's up?
How are you, man?
Good, bro. What's your name?
See you, bro.
Good to see you too, man. Oh, I missed to show you that guy. Yeah, man. Filipinos are so nice, man. The only problem is the road. Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Narrow streets. Narrow streets. I'm telling you, they are very narrow streets here. And very, very tricky to pass. Even the dogs we are sharing now. Now, this dog thinks I am his friend. He has been following me for a long time now. You see, he's here. You see that dog? There's a dog there. Maybe oh, it just messed up. It's right there. That's the dog. Okay. So I think honestly for me to walk these streets, I need to be very focused. So I want to say goodbye for now. Look at this dog. It's right here with me. Oh wait. I missed it. You see it's right there. Cross the road. Yeah, I just crossed the road. Now here the road is very tricky, man. Down here is not so good. The packed motorbikes, motorcycles. But whoa. Whoa. You have to be very careful. You see like this right here? There's this stuff here. Hello. Oh, I don't know why I live. This street, next street. I'm so confused. Let me keep going down. Whoa. I think I can go now. Hey man, these roads are so tiny, man. Okay, so I think guys, I know you can't see me so good, but I think I'll be ending my video here. I wanna say thank you so much for supporting me. I have to maintain focus here in the streets, you see. I have really to maintain my focus. So let me just sign out by saying thank you so much for watching this video. I love you my people for supporting me all the time, and I'll see you in my next one. Please ensure you give the video a like, man, before you say goodbye, and share any of my videos. Thank you so much. We're going to 200,000 subscribers. I really appreciate you being here every single day, showing your boys some love, and goodbye till next time my people. Bye bye. Whoa.